We've arrived at, I'll let you guys try to pronounce that. I'll give it a shot. I think it's pronounced Aareschlucht. So we're going to the Aareschlucht. You'll see what it's all about in just a moment. Let's go. It's beautiful down there. Yep, gotta go down here and the path winds its way down to the bottom. Let's go. So here we are, we're at the Aareschlucht. That's how you pronounce it. It's basically this giant gorge, the area of water that flows through this canyon. It was formed by earthquakes and erosion over time. It's nice. For the next few scenes, I'm just going to let nature speak for itself. Look at the height of this canyon though. Water down below. The sound just comes alive. This is Switzerland, man. I guess the only thing worth mentioning is this bridge does get very crowded, especially in the summertime. And so you got to pull over at times, let people go by, and vice versa. There's little wooden areas like this on the side that from time to time to stand to let people walk by. But if you want to enjoy this at a slower pace, you should probably get here pretty early in the morning. We arrived here about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, it must be to protect the debris from falling. When we first arrived in Switzerland, it was very hot. It's still summer here in August, and a visit to this gorge provided much needed relief. The temperature here was much cooler, and the mist from the waterfalls and river helped out tremendously. We continued to walk along the path and eventually arrived to a series of caves, with openings every few meters that revealed picturesque views of the river below. Let's keep going to see what else this amazing place has in store for us. We made it to this nice waterfall. Came from a cave that way. Let's continue. Wow, you guys, it just emerged from a cave and now we're entering more. This thing goes on a long ways. Bet that water's really cold. This place is like Zion National Park, but way better. Instead of walking in the river, you can walk above it. And the cliffs, instead of a reddish clay color, you get that brown color of the rock along with a green forest. growing out of the rocks above. It's pretty amazing. I got a duck right here. It's kind of low. Wow, there's a part way over there. There's a bridge that goes between the rocks. I'm gonna head there now. Okay, you can go left, or you can go right. We're gonna go right between the rocks over there.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now we're about to enter one of the narrowest parts of the path. I'll switch to the iPhone so you guys can get a better look. Oh wow, see all the green up there? Like walking in and out of caves. Like a big cave network. It's pretty low, I got a duck. Continue on a little bit, huh? I don't know how far this goes. Oh, wow, it opens up. Yeah. Wow, so at the end you come out of this little gate right here. I think we're at the western entrance now.
I don't know, try.
So you have an option of taking that train back down to the other side, or you can just walk. We stopped and took videos and photos, and it took us about an hour. But if we walk quickly, maybe 30 minutes. We'll walk over here a little bit and see what's around the other side. Just telling me to go over there. We're in the Eingang West, so that's the west entrance. I walked all the way. We started here on the east side. Ausgang Ost, that means the exit to the east. And this is the entrance on the west. We actually went in reverse. We started at the exit. You can walk in either direction. How long does it say? 1,400 meters? Yeah, it's 1,400 meters. Narrowest point is 1 meter wide, widest point is 40 meters. Highest place, the cliff wall reaches 180 meters. Highest measured water level was 5 meters. Oh. Aareschlucht. We did it.
Meaning?
Wooden carving.
What meaning in the leaderboard? Hello?
Viel Spaß auf deiner Reise
Maybe
und
some
nicht vergessen.
cartoon, something.
Agden und Auren auf.
Oh!
Don't know how to speak German. Hallo, liebe Kinder. Something for the little kids. Alright guys, we're going to do this in reverse, but I'm just going to record the beginning of the trail and then when we get there. So we'll pick this up in a second through the magic of video editing. See you then. And just like that, we're back. Just finished the tour and there's a light rain that's starting right now. Check out that beautiful valley behind me. We hope you enjoyed our trip to Aareschlucht, one of Switzerland's hidden gems. Afterwards, we drove back to Lucerne, and once we arrived, nature put on an amazing show for us. Lightning could be seen from one side of the bridge, and a golden sunset on the other. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll be visiting the mountain village of Lauterbrunnen, and also hike to a waterfall. So make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye for now.